Hey, my name is John. I'm your virtual assistant. Let me help you to place your order now. It is extremely easy. You just need to scroll down and choose the category of your choice, or you can choose the appropriate category in the menu item. Then just click the Paint My Oil Painting button and choose the amount of characters you want to see in your painting. Following that, you need to choose the size of the desired painting. Now you need to choose the payment method that suits you. It can be partial payment where you need to make a down payment of 20% and the rest once you're ready to ship it to you, or you can just make a full payment right away. The next step is very important for both of us. You need to submit us a couple of pictures so our professionals can prepare the layout and our artist can paint with oil. Besides that, if you want to decorate the painting with a specific signature, please check the corresponding box. Moreover, if you can leave us a note and we will do our best to accommodate your needs. When it is done, you can add the order to the cart. There is an opportunity to order a video clip that describes how your painting was created. Most of our customers enjoyed this addition to the main order, for the whole family has a chance to view it together. Also, if you want to see your future oil painting in the frame, you can choose it here. After your painting is ready to send you, our specialist will help you with selecting the right frame. Following that, you can click the checkout, file the necessary information and move to the billing part. Congrats! Your order is placed now. Our specialist will contact you soon to discuss the details of your order. If you have any other questions, please leave a message in the online chat or check the FAQ. Thank you for your attention. Bye!